Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we bring you application from the Tai Chi sword form. It's taking two moves and combining them to defense. One is Embrace the Moon, the other is called Sending Bird Up into the Forest. But before we get there, I need you to go over, click the boxes to like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. So let's combine Embrace the Moon from here and then send Bird Up into the Forest. Now you know we finished from here, so it's a turn, so I'd be dealing with another opponent. Here I'm basically, as I'm bringing this in, I'm blocking his sword out of the way and I'm creating a distance to stab to the throat. You can also use this head on too. As Keith comes in, I'm going to use this to parry his sword out of the way, and then based on my distance, I'm going to come in and strike to the throat. So again, I move across, come in to Embrace the Moon and follow back in to sending the bird back into the forest, or bird returns to the nest. So one more here as I finished with Embrace the Moon, and then the stab. He comes to me, I cover from here and Embrace the Moon, and I come back with a thrust to the throat.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.